Finally, you also said that that if it happens that after marriage, you do not have a male child, that everything you worked for will be taken away from you. And I also want to tell you that it is a blatant lie. It is not true. Well, I don't know where you are coming from. I know Igbo people have some slight differences. There are people who have very crude traditions. They are still practicing. There are some of them that have some crude, unrefined traditions. But even as it is in these modern days, it is not true that somebody will just dispossess you of your position just because you don't have a male child. Assuming this is a tradition in your husband's family, you should also know how to protect yourself legally. You understand? So that nobody will take what belongs to you. But I'm telling you that it's only a wicked people, a wicked family that will do that just because you don't have a male child, which may not even be your fault. There is no tradition that will insist that everything should be taken away from you. For what? For what? For what? So if this is the reason why you don't want to marry Igbo person, I want to tell you that you are making a very big mistake, and it is regrettable.